सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स। सो कैसे हो आप लोग? तो आज हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू फाइंड बेस्ट एसिडेंट लॉयर्स इन यूएसए। तो सो स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Firstly, you can check my Instagram. और ये like you are go any on your browser and open new tab and search accident lawyers in USA. You can check many types of lawyers usually forwarded in USA. So I am undergoing and start how to find best accident lawyers in USA, like car accidents and truck accidents lawyers. Firstly, you are gone on the site PreTools xyz09.blogspot.com. Wait for slow network. After you can see the site is opened now. News Plus, name TechYT. Inversing the legal tragedy, the invisible role of auto accident lawyer in aftermath of collisions. So this is no post matching. I am finding a USA lawyers. So search USA lawyers. No results. So find discerning state lawyers, truck accident lawyer, highway choosing right accident lawyers, and truck accident lawyer. Click here now. After opening the site, you can see here many types of writings. What do you see? So the type of firstly check the prices of truck accident lawyers. ऑब्वियसली होता क्या है कि बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट लॉयर्स होते हैं यूएसए में जो आपको मिल जाएंगे, बट वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा चार्ज करते हैं पैसों में। लाइक अब मान के चलो $600, ये तो कम है, यहाँ तक कि 1000-2000 तक यहाँ पर डॉलर्स चार्ज करते हैं। सिर्फ किस लिए? लॉयर्स के लिए, लॉयर्स को हायर करने के लिए। तो मैं आपको उतना ज़्यादा सिनेमैटिक वगैरह चीज़ नहीं दिखाऊंगा, आपको सिंपल दिखाऊंगा। आप खुद ही देख लो। ये रहा मेरा सिमरस। ओपन हो गया। यहाँ पर मैं दिखा देता हूँ अभी आपको। डोमेन ओवरव्यू में गए हैं। वन कंट्री वर्ल्ड वाइड सिलेक्टेड। सर्च एक्सीडेंट लॉयर। सॉरी, कीवर्ड ओवरव्यू। United States, like the many countries, resident lawyers, but firstly search for United States. Search resident lawyer and search. You can see here all the searches available. $154 charging for 70 ads running on USA, like the many countries: USA, Brazil, Australia, Canada, UK and Germany. And I can't see the data keyword magic tool. Wait for the loading, and can't see here all the available CPCs. One temporary press, and can't see the here volume 14 and itna and many hour like this. So can't this, you can I see here searching accident lawyer in USA. Search and see here results. How is the biggest injury law firm in USA? Morgan Lawyer, America's largest person lawyer law firm. So is the advertisements. No, you click any simple search site dot slash free tools xyz09.blogspot.com and go here. First can't see take YT on the road, just take the guidance of car accident lawyer. Beyond the legal journal, your resident lawyer. Open anything. And can't see all the you. Sorry. So welcome back, guys. I have so tips to find accident lawyers in USA. I am writing the post how to find best accident lawyers in USA. This post is available on my site freetoolsxyz09.blogspot.com. So firstly I am reading, and now you to find the best accident lawyers. First, research and review. Look for lawyer with experience in professional injury or accident case. Read only reviews and terminate from clients. Second, referrals seek recommendation from friends, family, or colleges who had positive experience with resident lawyers. So the many types of this post available on my site. So however, you go simply open your browser and search here like mti by rto dot in is the many post shows and can't second site dot 326yz09 dot blogspot.com. No any ad is showing is ad limit by AdSense. So thank you for watching. Communication ensures that lawyers communicated effectively and keeps you informed about case process.